Hey good people, welcome back to Beauty and the Frizz. My name is Kara. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming by, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back. I am really excited about today's video because I'm just trying to do something a little bit different from the norm. You know, there's a lot of holiday review videos, purchase or pass. I mean, there's just a lot of the same stuff going on. And don't get me wrong, I love all of that stuff. And I do that stuff myself, but sometimes I just want to play in makeup and just be creative and be artsy and use what I already have. And that's what I'm going to do today. So I am really excited about it. Today's makeup video is going to be a look inspired by sneakers. So if you are interested in seeing what I'm going to create and how I'm going to do this, keep on watching this video. Don't forget to leave me some comments. Definitely let me know what you think about this idea, and consider subscribing and joining my community because I'd love to have you back. All right, let's get started. So as I said, today's look is going to be shoe inspired makeup. I want to do this as a challenge and a tag. I want to do it for myself because it's going to push me to do something new, and it's going to allow me to play a lot more with my palettes and my single shadows, which I have started to really build a nice collection of. And I just think it's inspiring. I think that, you know, it's just something different. So enough talking, let me get to the shoes. So first of all, you don't have to do this tag with any particular shoe. I'm using sneakers because that's what I love. If I had to describe my style, it would be more of like a sporty spice. I like to wear sweatshirts and hoodies. I like to dress them up, dress them down. I just love sporty clothes. Nike, Adidas, Converses, those are my favorite shoes. And I love sneakers. My first job was at Lady Foot Locker. I worked there for like 4 years. I absolutely love tennis shoes or sneakers, depending on where you're from. So let me show you the shoes we're gonna be looking at today. Hold on, I gotta get the box so I can tell y'all exactly what kind of sneakers these are because I can't remember. I mean, they're Nikes, but exactly the ones. Real quick, I actually went in my closet and was like, what's in this box? And I was like, oh my God, I have never even tried these on. Ever since like the whole COVID thing happened, I just wear the same stuff every day. It's pretty much leggings and a sweatshirt or a t-shirt and the same sneakers. Like, I'm not going anywhere. I may run the boys to their grandparents' house or something like that. I have stuff that I ordered earlier this year, you know, through different sales, and I'm gonna be digging in my closet because I'm gonna wear this stuff. I'm gonna use this stuff in some kind of way, even if it's to do an eye look. I don't care. So let me tell you about these shoes. Hold on. Okay, so these are the women's Nike Air Max Correlate. Okay, so let me show them to you again. So here they are. So you see that the colors on there, you got this coral color here. There is a dark gray, a light gray. There is a navy, and then there's this, I don't know, light gray shimmer or silvery shimmer. So these are the colors I'm gonna include in my look, and I'm really excited about it. I do have on a Nike sweatshirt. Let me take this mic off and I'll show you just in case you're interested. This is a Fresh from Nike shirt. It's got little strawberries on it. You know, little embroidery. So, you know, I like stuff like that. All right, enough of that. So let's talk about the eyeshadows I'm gonna be using for this look. I created a quad, and I'll show you. So I got this Adept Cosmetics palette. I have not yet purchased from Adept, but they did have these on Amazon. So I was really excited to purchase this because look, you can put all your shadows in here, and it's got this cool divider in between. So you can fit a lot. But anyway, let's focus on the eye quad that I made. So here it is right here. This is the quad that I made inspired by the Nikes that I just showed you. It's these 4 shades. I'm gonna swatch them and I'm gonna tell you who these singles are by, and then we're gonna get into the look. So this first shade is called Hard Place. It's a matte, and it is by Colourpop. All right, there's the swatch. This shade is called Dusk, and it is a gray matte, and it is by Sydney Grace. Okay. I know that's not the greatest swatch, but you don't have to worry about Sydney Grace matte at all. Next we have Peace, which is also by Sydney Grace, and this is a metallic shimmer. I don't know exactly how you describe this, but it's like a, I don't know, a taupey silver. Does that make sense? So that's Peace by Sydney Grace. Last but not least, we have another shimmer shade by Colourpop called Right Tempo. That is what it looks like. And there's the swatch. Okay, so these are the 4 shades that I'm gonna be using for this shoe inspired look. If you look back at my sneaker, I think these look real big in the camera, but if you look back at my sneaker, I definitely, let me try not to get any shadow on them. I definitely think this is a pretty good color selection. So let's get started. I didn't pick blush or lip yet because I just wanted to see where the look is going before I do that. But the rest of my face is done. Oh, I'm excited.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Come with me, I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me, let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
All right, y'all, so what do you think? I think the shades work. I think this little color story is really cute, and it all came from my Nikes. So let's look at the look up close one more time, even though we did that like 5 times already, but I like this. See, now I'll tell you, I probably would not have paired these colors, and that's what makes me happy about this challenge that I am doing with myself, because, okay, light. Okay, hair. Honestly, I really wouldn't have paired these shades together. So see, I love thinking outside the box. And see, this is making me use stuff that I haven't used before together, you know, in a new way. So yes, Nikes, do it. Just do it. Okay, that was a lot. All right, y'all, that's all I got today. So thank you so much for taking some of your time and giving it to me. I definitely appreciate you all watching. I'm having a lot of fun, and I love building the relationships that I am with all of you that are watching. If you want to chit chat about makeup or not makeup, please follow me over on Instagram, because I don't talk to adults a lot these days. So yeah, feel free. And that's it. Make sure you are being gentle with yourself, talk to yourself nice, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.